Welcome, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and you all staying safe at your home. I'm your biology teacher. Today we will discuss a topic, malnutrition and its disorders. It is a topic in unit number 8, nutrition. Now, what is malnutrition? Taking a diet in which required nutrients are not in enough quantity or over the required quantity is called malnutrition. Malnutrition is basically a condition that results from eating a diet which does not supply a healthy amount of one or more nutrients. This includes diet that have too little nutrients or so many that the diet causes health problems. Undernutrition is a consequence of consuming low amount of essential nutrients, while overnutrition means taking too much nutrients. Severe malnutrition causes a lot of problems which include death, heart diseases, constipation, obesity. Types of malnutrition. Major types of malnutrition are protein energy malnutrition, which is also known as protein energy undernutrition, mineral deficiency disease, overintake of nutrients. Protein energy malnutrition. Now, what is protein energy malnutrition? It is basically a condition in which body do not get required amount of proteins or energy producing nutrients such as carbohydrates, proteins, lipids. Protein energy malnutrition occur when body cannot absorb such nutrients due to other diseases, examples AIDS and cancer. Major sources of protein. Major sources of protein. Soya beans are used as a major sources of protein in many different forms, and soya milk have been found to be a good substitute for more costly cow or goat milk. Important diseases which is related with the protein energy malnutrition are marasmus and kwashiorkor. We only discuss about the marasmus. This disease occur in children. This type is caused due to very low intake of carbohydrates, fats and proteins in diet. Marasmus is caused when diet contain very low amount of carbohydrates, fats and proteins. As a result of marasmus, the children having thin bodies, body weight is less than 60% of expected weight for their age. In this condition, they do not have fats and muscle strength, suffer from low body temperature and anemic. Now, what are the treatment of marasmus? It can be treated by adding all nutrients to the diet. In severe cases, this may lead to death. Mineral deficiency disease. Now, what is mineral deficiency disease? This condition occurs when person mineral intake consistently falls below recommended level. It led to variety of diseases: anemia, goiter, osteoporosis, rickets. Anemia. Now, what is anemia? Anemia means less amount of red blood cells or hemoglobin than the normal amount. It occurs when body has poor iron intake. Whenever the diet contain very low amount of iron, as a result there is the deficiency of red blood cells or hemoglobin cause, due to which anemia occur. Poor absorption of iron. Due to the deficiency of iron, body cannot make required amount of red blood cells. Now, what are the symptoms of anemia? Fatigue, weakness, hair loss, brittle nails. Osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is a disease in which bones become porous and fragile. It is caused due to the deficiency of calcium or vitamin D in the diet, due to which osteoporosis causes. Goiter. Goiter is basically a disease in which thyroid gland present in neck enlarged. This gland uses iodine for making its secretion. When iodine deficiency occurs, this gland enlarges. As a result, swelling occurs in the neck. Osteoporosis and goiter. This is normal bones and this is osteoporosis, and this is a normal thyroid gland, and this is due to the goiter, thyroid glands enlarge. Causes of malnutrition. There are many reasons due to which malnutrition causes: lack of knowledge of balanced diet, poor absorption of nutrients, and the poor absorption of nutrients involves proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, etc. Poverty is most common reason. Famine is another reason for malnutrition. Famine. Famine means widespread lack of food to feed all people living in the area. Famine is basically caused due to a multiple reasons. A natural disaster such as a long period of drought, flood, plant diseases, etc., crop diseases, unequal food distribution, wrong policies, etc., due to which famine causes. This is all about our today lecture. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.